Right? In this video, we are discussing about operators. What is meant by operator? What is meant by operator? Means an operator is nothing but an operation between two values or two things. Means if we can perform any operation between the two things is called as operator. Simply an operation between the two values or two operands is called as a operator. Suppose for example I can take A is a one value and B is a one value. In between A and B, suppose if I can perform plus, that means I am performing the addition of the value A and B. That is the operation. That is the operation called as the addition operation in between the two values. That is nothing but operator. Means simply, what is meant by operator means you simply can perform an operation between two values. An operation between two values is called as a operator. Right? Now, what are the different types of operators we have? What are the different types of operators? Types of operators. Right? In C we have the total 8 types of operators are there. In C language we have the 8 types of operators are there. The first one is arithmetic operator. The first one is arithmetic operator, and the second one is relational operator. The second one is relational operator, and the third one is logical operator, and fourth one is bitwise operators, and fifth one is conditional operator, sixth one is assignment operator, and seventh one is increment or decrement operator, and the last one is special operators. These are the main 8 types of operators available in the C. Arithmetic operators, relational operator, logical operator, bitwise operator, conditional operator, assignment operator, increment or decrement operator, and special operators. Now, what are the arithmetic operators? Means the arithmetic operators are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modular division. Means these are the main arithmetic operations we can perform operation between the two values. And what is the relational operators? The relational operators means greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, equal to, and not equal to. These are all the relational operators. And logical operators. What are the logical operators? Are the logical and, logical or, and logical not. These three are the logical operators. And bitwise operators are bitwise and, bitwise or, exclusive or, right shift, and then left shift. Right? Next, conditional operators. The conditional operator is the question mark and colon. Assignment operator, equal to is the assignment operator, and increment or decrement operators are plus is the increment operator, minus is the decrement operators. And what are the special operators we have? Means the special operators are size of one operator, and comma operator, and address operator. These are all the different operators we have in the C language. Now I will explain one by one. What is the arithmetic operators? What type of operations we have to perform, right? Now see, what is meant by arithmetic operator? Here, by using the arithmetic operators, we can perform all the arithmetic operations like addition. Suppose I can take a value is a 5 and b value is a 6. Right? Now I want to perform all the arithmetic operations. Suppose c equal to a plus b. C equal to a plus b. Suppose same. Then I have to display. Suppose print. If we can print the value of c means what is the output we can get? The output is the 11. Suppose say c equal to a minus b. If we can print the c value, now what is the output we can get? The output is minus 1. Suppose c equal to a into b means multiplication operation. Suppose if we can print the c value means we can get the value as a output as 30. Suppose c equal to a by b, that means a division by b. Now what is the output we can get? 5 by 6. Print c. If we can get 5 by 6 means suppose for 4 something we have to get. Suppose c equal to a modulo division by b. Now what is the output we can get? Suppose if we can print the value of c, what is the output we can get? 5 modulo division by 6. Then we can get the output as a 5. Here I will explain one thing. What is the difference between normal division and modular division? Suppose for example 4 by 2, what is the result? 4 modulo division by 2, what is the result? In 4 by 2, the result is a 2. In 4 by 2, the result is a 2. And 4 modulo division by 2 means the result is the 0. Because in normal division, we can consider the result as coefficient value. Whereas in modular division, we can consider the result as the remainder value. Based on that, here 4 by 2 means the output is a 2. 4 modular division by 2 means the output is a 0. Because in modular division, we can consider the result remainder as a output. And in normal division, we can consider the result as a coefficient value. Right? By using the arithmetic operators, what are the operations we have to perform means either addition or subtraction or multiplication or division or modular division. These are the operations we can perform by using the arithmetic operators. Right? And the next one. What are the relational operators? What is the relational operators? Right? What are the relational operators we have? The relational operators are greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, equal to, and not equal to. And where you can using the relational operators? Where we can use the relational operators means the relational operators are used whenever we want to compare or to represent the relationship between two things. Means either you have to compare the two values or you have to represent the relationship between the two things. That time you can using the relational operators. Suppose for example there is one person A, there is another person is B. Now I want to compare who is the bigger, either A is a bigger or B is a bigger. Then I can using the one relational operator, suppose greater than. Now by using this operator I can say A is a bigger or B is a bigger. That means the result of any relational expression, the result expression is Boolean. The result is the Boolean value. That means it may be either true or it may be a false. Suppose it may be a true means the output is 1, otherwise it is the 0. That means whenever you can using the any relational expression, the result is always the Boolean value only. That means it may be a true or false. That is the result of any Boolean expression. Clear? Where you can using the relational operators whenever you want to compare, or if you want to represent the relationships between the two things, that time you can using the relational operators, right? Then what is the result of relational expression means, if A is greater than B means, then it may be a true or false. That means the output is in the form of Boolean value. That means either true or false. Means true is nothing but 1 or false is nothing but 0. Suppose I will write the one simple logic or one program to establishment of the relational operators. Now suppose here I can take A value is a 3, suppose B value is a 4. Now suppose C equal to A greater than B. Suppose C equal to A less than B. Right? Suppose C equal to A greater than or equal to B. C equal to A less than or equal to B. Suppose C equal to A equal to B. And C equal to A is not equal to B. Right? Now what is the result of first one? A greater than B. What is the value of A? A value is a 3. 3 greater than 4. By default it is a false. False means what is the output you can get? 0. Right? A less than B. That means 3 is less than 4. Now it is a true. True means we can get the output as 1. Now A is greater than or equal to B. Means 3 is greater than or equal to 4 is also false. Then I can say it is the output is 0. Now A less than or equal to B means what is the A value? 3. 3 is less than or equal to 4. It may be a true. True means then output is 1. A equal to B means that means 3 equal to 4 means it is a false. Then output is 0. Now A is not equal to B. What is the A value? 3. 3 is not equal to 4. It is a true. True means you can get the output is 1. And here I can say one thing. What is the difference between equal and equal? Means double equal. Here equal can be used for assignment operator. Equal can be used for the assignment operator. That means it will be assign the value from right side to left side. Suppose for example A equal to 5. What is the meaning? Here I am assigning the value of 5 to the variable A. Now what is the meaning of double equal means? Right? Here I am comparing. Here I am comparing A and B are both are equal or not. That is the need of double equal. Means single equal means it is a assignment statements. Double equal is nothing but comparison statements. You can compare the two things are equal or not. Right? These are all the relational operators we can using. Then the result of the relational operator is always a Boolean value. That is the either 0 or 1. Clear? And next, logical operators.